Welcome to Highway Legends. Today we're turning our attention to one of the most exciting lightweight sport bikes of the year, the new 2026 Yamaha R3. Famous for its razor-sharp handling, beginner-friendly nature, and track-ready spirit, the R3 continues to be a favorite among riders stepping into the sport bike world. The 2026 model brings refined styling, improved performance feel, and updated tech, making it more thrilling than ever. Let's take a closer look at what's new and why this R3 stands out. Design and aesthetics. The 2026 Yamaha R3 arrives with a sleeker and more aggressive design inspired by Yamaha's larger R-series siblings. The front fascia features a sharper fairing, improved air ducts, and a more aerodynamic windscreen that enhances both looks and stability. The body panels now flow more cleanly, giving the bike a dynamic stance even when standing still. New color schemes and graphic options add a fresh, sporty vibe, ensuring the R3 turns heads whether you're on city streets or carving corners on a weekend ride. Performance and powertrain. Powering the 2026 R3 is the familiar 321 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine, tuned to deliver smooth acceleration and responsive power across the rev range. Paired with a precise 6-speed gearbox, the bike offers a balanced mix of everyday usability and sporty excitement. Yamaha has refined the suspension for improved feedback and cornering confidence, while the lightweight frame keeps the bike nimble and easy to control. Small efficiency tweaks also contribute to better fuel economy, making the R3 practical without sacrificing performance. Safety and technology. The 2026 R3 features updated rider assist tech, including improved ABS calibration for more stable braking and a refined digital display with clearer readouts. The cockpit now offers better visibility and intuitive controls, making the ride more comfortable for beginners and experienced riders alike. Optional quickshifter support and enhanced lighting add to the modern